Alrighty, I'm here. I made an announcement on my server that said, hey, should I make a cooking video? And yeah, here I am. So, I don't know what I should cook, but I'm gonna cook like a dessert because I'm a treat. Anyhow, so what I'm gonna be cooking is strawberry shortcake, I think? Not like reference to that one 1980s cringe TV show, but like that was like side on My Little Pony, but anyhow. What you need is Bisquick because we're not making pancakes here. We're making actually just shortbread-like thing. But from the top of my head and my worn-out measuring cup, you get this white powder, not to be associated with cocaine. I am not a drug dealer as far as I'm concerned. I'm gonna set this down and like hope I don't spill. How the hell am I gonna do this? Alright, not doing a hand reveal here, but 3 cups. You try not to clump it, because like cocaine, suspiciously like cocaine, you do not want to clump it. You want it pure and fresh. And try not to have it spill in your face. So, one thing to know is that you don't want it to you don't want to shake it all, because then it starts to clump. And any moisture in the air will start to clump as well, so be careful with that. But of course, I'm a dumbass, I'm gonna shake it anyway, because fuck the law. Yeah. Here's the thing to note is, buy fresh measuring cups. Like, what is this shit? But, getting back to the point, butter. Who doesn't love, like, greasy, slimy, unsalted sweet cream, first quality of butter? So, instead of melting it like a normal person, I'm not a normal person. I'm K-fucking-B. Whatever the fuck that stands for. Sorry for the F word and all that, but one of my viewers, they were in a match with me playing Bullet Force, and they said, hey, can you stop cussing? I'll subscribe. And I was like, no. No, I won't. That's like asking a black person to stop saying the N-word. Is it gonna do anything? No, he's just gonna call you the N-word. Now, I don't consider myself a racist at all, but I do know that if a black person came out to me, they would probably find my fist through their ass, and their fist through my ass. Not gay at all, but as a assert dominance. Now I'm going to grab my phone with my greasy fingers. Not my first time grabbing greasy things with my fingers while doing things. But just spread it around there. Just grime it in there. Ah, it's hard doing with one hand. I need to get like a GoPro. Slime it around there. Make it spin. If it falls on the ground, you know, that's the reason why I made it glass. Whip it around there. Oh shit, I'm going to spill that. Anyhow, all greased up with this slimy thing. I might use that later when I go into the bathroom. Anyhow, bananas. Anyhow, the next thing we do is like, we gotta get a bowl. I got a big cup thing there. Anyhow, look at my very neat cabinet. Such a selection here. What to use? So many options. It's like going into a Walmart, trying not to break anything, but ah, crap. Okay, trying to get everything here. Okay, speaking of black people, I have a black bowl. And speaking of glass, because you gotta have a combo here, glass on glass. So what you do is your 3 cups, you pour it in there. Ah, it clumped. Crap. What should I do? What was I gonna do? I was gonna melt this stick of butter. Shove it in one of those microwaves. You know, what confused me about microwaves and all, what the hell, is that like, they have this one has a button on here. Don't mind me wearing a Doritos shirt, but 30 seconds, just enough to melt the butter. If it splatters in the microwave, then, we might have an issue. Watch it melt. satisfying. I like to press my nose against this and leave nose marks so my mom yells at me, but about 20 seconds should do for butter. All warm and all creamy and oh, I might have fun with this later. Such a shame I'm making something out of it. Satisfying of the day, just pour it in there. Oh yeah. Yup. Mm-hmm. I'm literally shaking. So creamy.
Oh my god.
Besides that of an orgasm and a very weird voice. What you do next is, I think like sugar? Yeah. We have Great Value sugar because I bought it based on the name Great Value. I'm a cheapskate. I'm like Mr. Krabs except for I'm broke. Now, I recommend using like, I think it was like 1 cup off the, yeah, it's like 1 cup of sugar. Well, pouring sugar is kind of tedious because, like cocaine, it is very powdery, but you can pour a lot of it in there. And I have no clue what this measuring cup says. It has no markings on here. Well, I guess I'm going to be... Well, I'm not religious either, but I guess I'm going to be praying tonight. I don't think it's possible to overdose on sugar, but I'm going to find that out. Pour it again in there. Oh, yeah. That's a lot of sugar. I think I drowned it in sugar. Maybe that was too much. Anyhow, I have a chair here because I like sitting down. But next you need milk. Dad? I don't have any milk. Right. Fun story, my dad did not come back from getting milk, so unfortunately I want to end the video, but nope, I am a dad now. I have milk. I will make this one way or another. My phone. Fuck! Probably did a face reveal there, but who cares? Anyhow, we're gonna measure it, of course, because it's like 1 cup, I believe, and oh my god, I spilled all over the floor a little bit. But getting down my hands and knees, like 1 cup you gotta get in there. According to this measuring cup, it's 8 ounces, but pour it all on top of there. Oh, that's creamy. Anyhow, next you want to get like a spoon or something to stir it with. I'll leave that drawer open. I'm a fucking mess. You gotta stir it around. Now remember, the more you stir it, the more you're gonna cause an issue, or basically it starts to clump together. Or like, how do I say this? The more you stir it, the more thicker it will be. So stirring it around, not the way we did the pan over there, because that was a bad idea. But you want to be as concise as you can with stirring it. Get it all creamy. Like I said, you don't want chunks in there because of this exact reason. Stir it around here. Hell yeah. Anyhow. Stir it around some more. Yeah. Don't do a lot of stirring. Don't do what I'm doing. But make sure you get it all in there, because otherwise you'll like cook it in the oven. And you'll have a big issue. But now that we have our concoction made, I made a dick joke. Nice. Anyhow, you want to get this messy, slimy, creamy thing inside of here. Just pour it in there. Ooh, yeah. Now I'm gonna need to do this with like 2 hands, so I'm gonna have to put the phone down. You're gonna see it after I do it. No cuts. Cram this in here. You know, you can't see this, but I'm licking the bowl clean, but instead of using this spoon, I'm using my cock. I'm like scraping it out with my cock all into the bowl. Unlucky that you don't get to see this, but I mean, like, all right, now I can use one hand again. Or, yeah. All right, all spread out, all creamy. You want it to be balanced because when you put a cut in it for like getting it, you like, yeah. There we go. Okay. So, next thing I would do is, because, you know, they always add topping to it. So I recommend getting some sugar in here and just getting it all over the top. Not as if I added too much, but yeah. Otherwise, you put it in the oven at 375. Make sure you put it in there in my oven. Yeah. Shove it in there all nice and good. Close her up. I'll eat that later. I believe it's like 25 minutes in here. Like, I don't know. We're do it off of looks. But strawberries I won't make in this video because strawberries are literally strawberries. But also, making this video, I feel like a woman because I'm in a kitchen. You never thought you'd see a man making something, but I'm proving gender equality, and I just cooked something. I probably add too much sugar, and I'm probably gonna get like a sugar overdose, and post my dick in my general chat of every single server I'm in on Discord, but I will refrain from doing that. So, yeah, that's how you cook shortcake for strawberry shortcake. I hope my dad's okay. I've never met him. I hope this doesn't burn because that'd be a big issue. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, and as a cringe YouTuber, I gotta say, you gotta like and subscribe, and make sure you comment like hashtag KB in the comments because I just want to see it flooded with hashtag KB. Keep the memes going. But that's all. I hope like if you cook this or try to replicate this, it comes out perfectly and your family's like, oh my god, you cooked for something you're worthless a fucking life. How? I didn't even know you had this in you. Of course, they're going to think you got it off of Pinterest, but no, you got it off of my YouTube channel, a gaming YouTube channel, cooking. Who would have thunk it? But that's all for today. I'm probably not going to upload in like a month because I actually have a life and such. But yeah, that's all.